Ever wondered how two French friends actually make plans? It's more than just
Oui and non.
today, we are deconstructing a full, natural conversation about making plans to see a movie. We will play the entire scene, then break down every single phrase, teach you the key grammar and vocabulary, and then we'll even practice together. Let's move towards journey.
Allô Claire. C'est Thomas.
Salut Thomas. Ça va?
Oui, ça va bien. Écoute, je t'appelle parce que je veux aller voir le nouveau film Marvel. Tu es libre samedi soir?
Samedi soir? Attends, je regarde mon agenda. Oui, ça marche. J'ai trop envie de le voir.
Super. On dit vers 19h? On se retrouve directement devant le cinéma UGC?
Parfait. Ça te dit de dîner après le film?
Excellente idée. Alors, à samedi. Salut Claire.
À samedi. Salut.
Okay. A natural, friendly conversation. You might have understood some of it, but let's make sure you understand all of it and can use it yourself. Let's break this down into 4 key parts. Thomas starts with a classic phone greeting.
Allô.
The standard way to say hello when answering the phone.
C'est.
Literally, it is. We use this, not
Je suis.
to identify ourselves on the phone. Repeat after me.
C'est Thomas.
This is the core of the conversation.
Tu es libre.
This is the most important phrase of the day.
Libre.
Means free. Repeat.
Tu es libre.
Claire says,
Ça marche.
which literally means that walks, but it actually means that works, or okay. It's incredibly common. Repeat.
Ça marche.
Locking in the details.
On se retrouve.
This is a very natural way to suggest a meeting point.
Devant.
Means in front of. Repeat after me.
On se retrouve devant.
Suggesting something extra.
Ça te dit de?
This fantastic phrase means, do you feel like, or are you up for? It's perfect for making casual suggestions. Repeat.
Ça te dit de dîner?
Now, let's get some key vocabulary you can swap out to make your own plans.
Samedi.
Samedi.
Dimanche.
Dimanche.
Vendredi soir.
Vendredi soir.
Aller au restaurant.
Aller au restaurant.
Prendre un verre.
Prendre un verre.
Faire une promenade.
Faire une promenade.
Devant.
Devant.
À l'intérieur.
À l'intérieur.
À côté de.
À côté de.
Notice how Thomas said,
Je veux aller voir.
when you have two verbs back-to-back like want and go, the second verb
Aller.
stays in its infinite form. It's a simple but powerful rule. Your turn. We will do a shadowing exercise. I will play Thomas' lines. I want you to be clear and answer out loud. We will put the text on screen to help you. Let's build your speaking confidence.
Allô, c'est Thomas. Salut, tu es libre dimanche après-midi? Super. On se retrouve au parc? Très bien.
You just had a full conversation in French.
Si.
With a little practice, it becomes much easier.
Et voilà.
You now have the tools to make plans like a true francophone. Remember the key phrases.
Tu es libre. Ça marche. And. Ça te dit de?
Write a sentence in the comments using what you learned. For example,
Samedi, je veux aller au restaurant.
if you enjoyed this deep dive, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And subscribe so you don't miss our next conversation breakdown.
Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé. À la prochaine.